Hey everyone.
I think what needs to be addressed first would be inequality.
For me, the ideal future is a place where we can follow what we love.
I think schools and education can learn from the community.
Because to see representation of all people gives hope.
It's really about finding innovations within green technology.
Sustainability is at the absolute heart of everything.
Before we try to change what we see in front of us, we need to focus on our own personal development.
There's so much to learn.
Technology is there to help us.
Once we know we can follow what we love, that's when the true journey starts.
So I think we need to start building and working towards a more sustainable world.
Okay, so you've seen new technology, personalised products, robotics and AI. But as you've just heard, we need to do more to build a sustainable future. The next generation is asking for us to have a more mindful relationship with the environment, our society and humankind. It's clear that we can't just tackle one or two issues. We need a holistic solution, and that's our goal at Samsung. So to start, we've asked ourselves, what have we done so far for people, for society, and for the environment? And how can we do better? First of all, we believe in our next generation's potential. They hold the key to creating real, meaningful change in the world. So over the past decade, programs like Samsung Solve for Tomorrow and the Samsung Innovation Campus have incorporated new ways of learning to spark their new ways of thinking. We've worked to make our products and services inclusive so everyone can have access to technology. Features like our automatic sign language zoom assist those with hearing challenges. And our See Colours app helps those with sight challenges better view billions of colours. We've also helped find ways to stay healthy in our new constantly connected lifestyles. Samsung's digital well-being is here to help you take control and better manage your time. Of course, we can't forget about our planet. Today we're building innovative products and technology with sustainability at the core to ensure that the next generation can enjoy a green planet. To start, we've put sustainability at the heart of some of our most popular products. Samsung's AI-powered washing machines optimize water, detergent and wash cycles, saving water and power. Our bespoke refrigerators let you update the design and function of your fridge to respond to lifestyle changes instead of buying a new one. We will even build a TV remote out of recycled plastic that can charge via solar or indoor lighting, reducing battery waste. And our energy-saving memory solutions significantly reduce power consumption. Applying our SSDs and DRAM in all data center servers can save up to 7 terawatt-hours of energy per year, enough to power every home in California for a month. From education programs to sustainable products and services, we're constantly thinking of using our technology to break barriers for a better future. And as we look ahead, we will continue to put people, society, and the planet at the centre of everything we do.
Take